from Xanathar and live to tell the tale.
Look out! There's a spider behind you!
Which one we were in? I think that we were yellow or purple.
In the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery. Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers.
Head all the way around and
You're late, and here I am, Lana Star Shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time. Now, where can I hide the quest details? Oh, I wouldn't worry about that. She is gorgeous, though. Only the skilled can awaken the magic orb. You there in the hat. Gently touch it and check if it answers you, wizard. Oh, you've quite the ability. Xanathar, the evil prime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep. This time with the dragon staff of Agaron. He is aligned with the powerful red dragon Sargon to remove the dragon war barriers that prevent dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Throcker and Evelina, the leaders of the local Harpers, must steal back the dragon staff from him. They'll be along shortly. Well, now turn it off. Your mission is clear. Find your fellow Harper leaders, steal back the dragon staff, and save Waterdeep! Throcker and Evelina, right on time.
Did somebody order a hero? Rock this way!
Rogue, spiders, follow me this way.
I think a lot of people are now switching what classes they were based on who they're following. We're still supposed to be with this guy though, we're the clerics. I like this guy.
Very nice, very nice. We could use people like you. Oh, and you're dragon trainer. Very good. Must be a ranger. Very good. All the way in, clerics and wizards. All the way. Now we're looking for a rod of
Hookers on your shirt.
Yeah.
I love those guys.
Thanks, Rick.
Do you see anything shiny?
Evelina! Any luck finding the rod of absorption?
I don't see it anywhere, Crockery. We can't.
Without the rod of absorption, we will not be able to take the dragon staff. Of course, you took Tiptoe's tracker!
What? He threw it out. That and this juice that can wake the dead.
Ooh, wake the dead juice. All right, adventurers. Our bad guy Xanathar is a real vain and insecure diva.
Sounds familiar.
When we find him, we'll need your help with a vicious mockery insult. Watch and learn.
I need something to pry this open.
The master is at work. You're a terrible fish father. Now go ahead and insult him. Give me your best insult. Ooh, very good. That actually hurt me. Looks like
I did it!
Stay low.
That's not good.
Mortals,
Crockery!
the Dragon Lord no longer protects your city. be mine.
Look out! There's spiders behind you! Evie, we're gonna have to split the party. We're gonna have to split the party. Wizards, clerics. Keep your eyes out. This place looks sketchy. Steel warlock. It feels a little risky in here.
Be on the lookout for any odd trinkets.
But don't take anything. Evie, it was really heated in there.
I know.
Did you take that wand?
I think it looks like a wand of lightning bolts.
What? You gonna take one of these too?
Well, I think it's a puzzle. Yes! Solve the puzzle and the doors will open. Unless you have a better idea?
Of course I do. Clerics, can I get some dancing lights? Here's some bardic inspiration.
Whoa!
Ooh, Evie, look, a bunch of life-saving trinkets.
No, throw up, Thrum. Wait a minute. Look! The doors! I think this is the entrance to Xanathar's lair.
Fighters, do you detect any dangerous creatures? Oh, Mimic! Behind you! Look out! I am not in the mood for any more Mimic surprises. It's time for Thunder Wave! It worked!
Alright, that worked. It's a puzzle!
Oh, green, blue, I'm colorblind! White? Squirrel? Squirrel's not even a color! I don't know what to do! Oh, I think I did it! I think I did it! Very good! Everyone, Xanathar is in the next room.
This way.
I want you to be very quiet and careful. Just in case. It's so beautiful. Evie, don't touch anything.
Okay, okay.
You don't know, it might be cursed.
It's so
Always
beautiful.
gotta watch out for her. You never know what she's gonna take.
That's the dragon stuff right there.
Yes, it is. It's very beautiful. Okay, let me see if I can
I'm gonna
use the rod of absorption again. Oh, I don't know. It kind of hurts. I don't know if it's working, Evie.
Oh my god.
Xanathar!
Steal from Xanathar. No, no, no! Disintegrate! Xanathar is the rightful owner of the Dragon Staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. Do you really think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to take a deep, permanent sleep. Ow! My baby!
Vicious mockery! No! You're a terrible fish. Give it to a really good You're terrible.
Get out of my sight! My Silgar! I'll protect you!
Evie, let me help you.
Oh no, it's fine. I got this.
Hey,
Brainless slime buckets!
for the ignite! Everybody, this way!
These brain wastes of space!
have to wake up now. Wake up.
I'm not asleep. I'm just taking a quick.
No. Up all the way. Very good. No catching these. We should call this again.
We're ready to fight again in just a minute.
No.
Maybe
You
2
have to stay
minutes.
awake. We gotta keep her up.
Make it fun.
Oh, I wish. No. I wish I had some alcohol. Let's wake the dead.
Spicy!
It worked.
Wait, did we do it?
Yeah, I got the dragon staff right here and your bundle of sticks.
Foolish Throckery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lale Starshadow!
Oh, wait, this thing is alive!
Nothing can stop me now!
Evie, you've got this.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Hey, what? A wand of lightning bolts is
Wow!
We did it!
Mission complete. We saved Waterdeep, got the dragon staff.
Oh, and I have my new friends to thank for it.
Evelina has friends. I'm speechless.
You speechless? When?
We'll secure these. The rest of you head out that way toward the tavern. And we'll see you next time on our next adventure. Our Hunter Friends.
Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.